Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get a ZEPETO mod. So this is for iOS and Android. It makes you rich. So as you can see, we can get unlimited Zems. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on just to show you guys it actually works. So I just enabled unlimited Zems right there. So now they should start to go up. So I'm not really sure if it works, but let's find out. So as you can see, I've only got 1,000 Zems. So let's see if it increases or not. So hopefully it starts going up, and then we'll be ZEPETO Masters. So let's see if, yeah, it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. So yeah, this is so crazy. So yeah, it's pretty simple to download as well. So first step is going to be go into your browser and go onto tweakmod.com. So let me just type that in. I believe this is where you can download it. And go in the search bar, type in ZEPETO, press install, and before it downloads, it's going to be one last step, which is the verification. So in this step, you have to download 2 apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free. They're also from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to download here, as you can see. So yeah, it's super simple. So I'm just going to wait for this to download. We're going to be all good to go. So yeah, I don't really do videos like this, but ZEPETO mod is actually updated for 2025. So I said, you know what, I guess I'll share it with you guys. But yeah, it's super cool. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So yeah, it's going to say missing files. So basically we just got to download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. So like TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. So just press on it and then it will download. And you could also do like, Travel Town, you got to reach level 9, or Merge Gardens, reach level 9. There's a video if you're lost, but that's how to do it, guys. Tweakmod.com. It's how to get the ZEPETO mod for your device. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. I'm not sure which apps you're going to see. These are just the ones they show for me. But yeah, it's super crazy, bro. Tweakmod.